So my dear students, I have already uploaded two videos on partnership chapter, wherein I have already discussed many theoretical aspects and I have solved many problems also. This is the third part of the partnership chapter, and I am going to solve some more problems here in the chapter. So let us understand the calculation of capital of the partners by this video. Okay. And problem is like this. A and B engage in a business with a joint capital, that is 1,53,000. At the end of the year, A gets 6,000 more than B out of the profit of 30,600. Find the capital. So here, let us first calculate what are the profits they are getting, because some hint is given here. Total profit is given, that is 30,600, and A gets 6,000 more than B. So let us keep the B's capital as X, because we don't know that. Okay. If we treat it as X, then A gets 6,000 more, that is X plus 6,000. So now the equation is X, that is B's capital, and A's capital X plus 6,000 combinedly, that is 2X plus 6,000, which equals to total profit, that is 30,600. Okay. So let us solve it. 2X plus 6,000 is equal to 30,600. Therefore, let us take 6,000 to the other side. 2X is equal to 30,600 minus 6,000. Therefore, 2X is equal to 24,600. And X is equal to divided by 2. 24,600 divided by 2. That is 12,300. What we have calculated now, that is the B's capital, we have kept it as X. Now we have calculated B's capital is 12,300, and A gets 6,000 more, that is 12,300 plus 6,000. That means 18,300. Now we have calculated the profit. Just we have calculated the profit of both the partners. A 18,300, B 12,300. So with the help of this, we can get the profit sharing ratio, and with the help of that we have to calculate the capital of both the partners. See here, total capital is 1,53,000. It is given in the problem. Total profit is also given, that is 30,600. And what is asked in the problem, that is B's capital, isn't it? So we know B's profit, if it will be in this ratio only. So for this profit 30,600, capital is 1,53,000, and B's profit is 12,300. So what is the capital? Because it is in the same ratio. So we can calculate it like this: 12,300 into 15,300 divided by 30,600. And we are getting as 61,500, which is the capital of B. B's capital is calculated. And let us go with another problem, that is A and B are partners in a firm with total capital. It is given, okay, 2,70,000. And A receives here rupees 54,000 out of a profit of 1,21,500. Find the capital of each. Here profit is given, and the distributed profit is also given. So with the help of this, we have to calculate the capital of both the partners. Okay. Total profit, it is given, that is 1,21,500. A, how much he receives? 54,000. That means B's profit can be calculated. That is total profit minus A's profit is nothing but the B's profit. That is 67,500. Then profit ratio can be calculated now. So A gets 54,000, B gets 67,500. So 540, 675. Common element 3, common element 2 zeros are cancelled. So 540, 675 is left out, and the total is 1215. Now A, his ratio 540 divided by 1215. and the total capital is 2,70,000. So what is his portion of capital? That is nothing but the 1,20,000. In the same way, how about the B? B's ratio is 675 divided by 1215, and the total capital is 2,70,000. So if you multiply, you will get the portion of B, that is 1,50,000. So capital of partners now, A is 1,20,000, B 1,50,000. That is what we have calculated. Okay. So let us go with the next problem. A, B, C engage in a business with a joint capital togetherly 2 lakh. All at the end of the year, A gets 40,000, B 16,000, C 24,000. So that is the profit they are getting. And now we have to calculate their capital. Now profit is given. So with the help of profit, we can calculate the profit sharing ratio. That is 40,000, 16,000, 24,000. And 3 zeros are common. We have to remove it. That is 40, 16, and 24. And if it is divided by 8, 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 5 is to 2 is to 3. Okay, then total is 5 plus 2 plus 3, that is 10. So A's ratio is nothing but 5 upon 10, B's ratio is 2 upon 10, and C's ratio is 3 upon 10. Now total capital is 2 lakh. It should be verified with their ratio. A's capital means 5 upon 10 into 2 lakh, that is 1 lakh. B's capital 2 upon 10 into 2 lakh, that is 40,000. C's capital 3 upon 10 into 2 lakh, that is 60,000. So we have calculated capitals of all three partners. And one more problem, that is A, B, C enter into partnership. A contributes 1/3 of the capital. We don't know. And how B contributes? B contributes as much as A and C. That is half. The profit of at the end of the year is 1,68,000. How much each partner would receive? Now let us understand. B contributes as much as A plus C, isn't it? That means B contributes half. A and C contribute the half. A contributes how much? 1/3. So C is equal to half minus 1/3. That is 1/6. So now we have understood how much they, what is the ratio of their capital. That is 1/3 for A, 1/2 for B, 1/6 for C. With the help of this, we can divide the profit. A gets 1/3 into total profit, that is 1,68,000. That is nothing but 56,000. And B, his ratio is 1/2. And the total profit is 1,68,000. So he gets 84,000. And C, his ratio is 1/6. So total profit is 1,68,000. Therefore, he gets 28,000. I hope you have understood how the problems are being solved. And my dear students, in further video, I'm going to explain some more problems on partnership. So don't forget to watch my videos, and I request you to give the feedback also. And hereby, I would like to end my video and seeking the same enthusiasm from your side. Thank you.